Hello everyone, welcome to this demo of AI Startup Analyzer by Gen AI Crew Team. In this project, we are analyzing the startup wherein you will have option to upload pitch decks by browsing the file. You can upload many more files other than pitch decks, and you can also have option of questionnaires in case if you do not have pitch deck to upload. It will go to Google Forms and you can fill in the answers and submit this. So you see that we will browse the file and upload Narrow Deck 2025. Pitch deck is uploaded and let's start analyzing by clicking the button. You can see processing documents with AI Essence has been started here. It will analyze pitch deck, all other uploaded documents, as well as it will search Google for relevant documents to get the final parameter values. Now you can see that document processing completed successfully, and there are four tabs: company details, evaluation scores, final scores, and insights. On company details tab, you can see all the parameters with along with its values here, which are extracted from the input documents. Here we uploaded pitch deck, so it extracted from there. Now on evaluation scores tab, there are three columns: scores, thresholds, and benchmark normalized. On scores tab, we calculated scores out of 10 for each parameter based on some logic. Thresholds are the minimum expected scores for each parameter, and benchmark normalized are based on the other companies of this sector in the market. And if we go to final scores tab, you will see calculated scores here based on the scores thresholds and normalized scores. Its final scores are calculated. Weightage scores are our scores multiplied by weightage, and benchmark weightage scores are benchmark normalized scores multiplied by weightage scores. So the concept here is basically comparing weightage score with the benchmark weightage score. So these two scores should be on the same scale. That's the reason we scaled both the scores here. And final weightage scores can be summed up to get the final score by summing up all parameter scores here. And if we scroll down, you can see the charts for each parameter. You can compare our scores with benchmark scores, and the final score is given here 0.05 in green. You can see it means our score is more than benchmark score by 0.05. You can click start new analysis button if you want to start new analysis. This okay, other than insights, for insights you can see red flags, green flags, and if you scroll down you will see recommendations. So these are all finalized based on the thresholds, based on the benchmarks, and based on the final analysis. So for example, you can see startup has a low, you can see startup has a low financial score 5 out of 10 as compared to thresholds. Tab also you can see multiple charts here for each parameter. You can see radar chart to see all the parameters in single graph, and then cumulative scores comparison is also there. Now we have an option to edit the thresholds and weightage for each parameter. So there are two columns, thresholds and weightage, which you can edit. So let's try editing. Let's edit threshold from 7 to 9 and see. It is start processing. Now let's see. Let's edit weightage also. Let's make it from 0.15 to 0.10. Total weightage sum should be 1. So we decreased by 0.05. So we will have to increase some other weight is by 0.05 here. Now we will recalculate the scores based on the revised weightage and thresholds, and we will scroll down to see the final score. Now you see that our final score is less than the previous one, and it's even go below our threshold by 0.100. So we can compare with benchmark scores as well as our final score after changing thresholds and weightage here. And it will also revise the insights after changing scores. So all the changes and new insights would be developed here, would be created and uploaded here in this report. You can see score 4 versus threshold 5 here, wherein it's mentioning that our score is less than threshold. Similarly for financial scores. So you can see all the comparisons of thresholds and benchmarks in this report. So yeah, that's it about this project. It's calculating the scores based on thresholds and weightage after analyzing the input documents and searching Google for relevant documents. And we can also revise thresholds in benchmark. So yeah, this is all about our dummy prototype project. Thank you so much.